Okay, the Indian team marches on to the final of a T20 World Cup. Two World Cups now, back to back. They've made it. Joyous Indian fans around.
Bye bye England! Bye bye England! Bye bye England! Bye bye England! Bye bye. Not every time. Not every time.
Okay.
Final.
Okay. Time for Africa.
Of course.
This time for Africa, because it's gonna.
Time for Rohit Sharma. This time for Rohit Sharma. There is no doubt on that. Its cup is coming home.
Africa is waiting in Barbados. The India coming, just be there to get loose. And you know in the game.
Are South Africa also going to face the same fate that every team?
The Indians playing very well, and we're going to beat them in final.
Okay.
I want to say,
I want to see
South
the
Africa, be careful. We're coming for you now. Now use our target.
It's going to be a good game. It's going to be a good game. All of them are clicking well, and they got the good spin attack as well. That's the only thing. They are the second best spin attack in the tournament so far. So it's going to be a good game.
साउथ अफ्रीका बी रेडी अभी आपका टाइम है बाहर जाने का बी रेडी
I'll tell you something. There's a purpose of wearing this jersey. This is Yuvraj Singh original jersey. This was
Wow!
in 2007, and there's something between England and Yuvraj Singh.
He's right.
Yes.
Okay, that's a very special fan. We have a fan. He's got a Yuvraj Singh jersey from the T20 World Cup 2007. We know India won it, and he's worn that same jersey. Come here. I hope you're going to Barbados.
100%. There's no doubt. I think we might be in the same flight as well.
Okay, so he's going to Barbados. He's bringing it. Okay. Let's.
रोहित का बैटिंग आज बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा था बहुत बढ़िया बैटिंग था रोहित का होल टीम का काम अच्छा था अक्षर पटेल की बॉलिंग बहुत अच्छी थी अक्षर पटेल की बॉलिंग बहुत अच्छी थी
Thank you, India. Thank you for making us happy today. We can sleep well today. Thank you, India.
मैंने तो पहले ही कहा था आज सवेरे जैसे ही हम एंटर हुए कि रोहित आज प्ले करेगा I was doubt about Kohli but you know what happened Rohit all the way
Acha, other than that, today Akshar Patel, come here, no, say something for someone from the same state as you.
ના ભાઈ બહુ ખુશ થયું અક્ષર પટેલને જોઈને બહુ ખુશ મજા આવી
They say that Bapu is always dangerous for the English, and that's exactly what happened here. That
डेंजरस फॉर द ब्रिटिश बापू ने ब्रिटिश को बाहर निकाला था अभी अक्षय ने ब्रिटिश को बाहर निकाला है अभी
Okay, you know that Guyana is known for Guyanese Indians as well. People who moved here many years ago. So we are having a Bhojpuri party here. People of heritage from Bihar and UP settled here many years ago. After India's win, we've got some Bhojpuri music on.
Yeah, in finals. So we came from Denver, Colorado से आए थे पहले हमने सेंट लूसिया में ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराया और अब यहाँ पे इंग्लैंड को इंडिया इन फाइनल्स एंड फाइनल भी जीतेगा
Okay. That's a lovely song that they're playing. What song is this? This Caribbean song.
Bauxite, rice and sugar.
India. We are Indian descendants. We are Indian. Did you enjoy the game? Of course, yes. What was the best part? Best part.
Well, Bumrah bowling. That's what I call for. See,
Bumrah's bowling.
I've come all the way from India my first visit to the West Indies I'm so happy that I came to the West Indies we've beaten all the teams and we beat South Africa when we meet them in Barbados and the trophy is ours.
Okay, so got some Bhojpuri music playing here that they're celebrating India's victory. I've got a very interesting fan. He's got a mix of the American flag as well as the Indian flag. So you're American Indian,
Yeah.
How was the game?
Oh, awesome.
Best part for you?
Oh man, the batting of Indian cricket team. Batting.
Rohit Sharma, is it?
Yes.
Are you heading to Barbados?
Yes, tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow morning.
How long is the party going to go on?
Oh, late night.
Okay, all the very best. talking about a Caribbean party, Caribbean beats after India's win. These are Indian Caribbean beats after India's win. Had Adelaide in mind today?
Yes, absolutely. When India got close to that 168 number, Adelaide came to mind, and but I knew Adelaide wicket was a lot different than what Guyana track was, and India, with Kuldeep Yadav, with Akshar Patel, with the spinners we had, it was going to be a different game, and we showed them, and of course Bumrah, the special boom boom Bumrah.
Dad, those two knocks, you said different pitch, right? Not easy conditions. Those two knocks by Surya Kumar, Rohit Sharma on a tough pitch like that.
Absolutely. In the heat, I don't think the viewers, across the world can see, or feel the temperatures that are here. Like 35-degree heat, 100% humidity. It's like humid. And these guys, they played those special knocks today. Those are match-winning knocks. 50, both scored 50s, and those are great knocks. And you know what, Jaddu chipped in at the end, and I think they got us to a respectable score, and our bowlers defended it. So
Right.
amazing.
Thank you so much. All the
Thanks,
best.
Nikhil. Thank you.